morning, dear students. Please open the page number 105 in your EVS textbook. Let's start a new chapter, that is lesson number 16, My House. My name is Nasim. I live in Srinagar. Since yesterday, there's a lot of activity in our school. Okay, here there is one girl, name is Nasim, and she lives in Srinagar. Okay, do you know where Srinagar is located? Yeah, in Jammu Kashmir. Okay, she is telling since yesterday there is lot of activities occurring in her school. It will go on for a week. Okay, that activity will last for a week. Do you know why? There is a camp being held in our school. Okay, her school has organized one camp for the children. Children have come from many places for the camp. Tents have been put up in the ground for everyone to stay. Okay, those who are coming, I mean the children, for them there is facility of tents to be stay over. Okay, we have decorated the school beautifully. Some children have used pieces of cloth to make streamers for the doors. Some have made posters using almond shells, while others have made rangolis using dry leaves and sawdust. Okay, see, when we are expecting some guest at our home, right? What we usually do, we will clean the house and decorated it nicely, right? We will make some arrangements for them. So same way, the children, those who are already of that school only, they have decorated the school beautifully as they come to know that they are expecting students from the other schools for a camp, right? What they have done, some have made pieces steamers, right, by using pieces of cloth. Then some made the posters using almond shells. Okay, then some made rangolis, how, using dry leaves and sawdust. Okay, today is the first day of the camp. We are happy. In the morning, we all got together and sat down on the ground in a circle. Each of us introduced ourselves and spoke out where we came from and what we like to eat. Children brought pictures of their families and their homes. Everyone spoke about their home. Bhupen's group was first to talk. Okay, as it is the very first day of the camp, okay, they all were very happy and excited. In the morning, they all sit together in a circle, and they are not aware of themselves, right? I mean, of each other. So they started to introduce themselves one by one. Okay, and the children who came over there, they brought the pictures of their families and their homes. Now it's Bhupen's group was the first to talk. Okay, now Bhupen introduced himself and said, what care has to be taken by those who are living in house made up of bamboo or wood? Okay, what Bhupen asked कि जो लोग लकड़ियों के घर में रहते हैं, how to take care of that house. Okay, I have come from Molan village in Assam. It rains heavily in our place. Hence, our houses are made almost 10 to 12 feet above the ground. They are made on strong bamboo pillars. Inside of our houses are also made of wood. Okay, what he told, that he come from Molan village in Assam, and as we know, according to diversity, Assam gets rain very heavily throughout the year. Okay, and that's why their houses are made 10 or 12 feet above the ground. Okay, क्योंकि पानी बहुत आता है, तो how could they survive then? So their houses are made up of 10 to 12 feet above the ground with the help of very strong pillars of bamboo. Okay, let's see. Why are houses made on bamboo pillars where Bhupen lives? Think about this. Then I'll tell you answer. Okay? You have to write yourself. Let's see the next question. What kind of roofs do Bhupen's house have? Why are they made like these? See the roof of the Bhupen's house. Now let's think about why the roofs are made up of like this. How does one enter this house? You can come to know after seeing the picture that how we can go into the house. Yes? Okay, discuss. At night the ladder is removed from Bhupen's house. Can you tell why? What are the difficulties faced in making stone house? Okay? You have to think about all these 5 questions and write the answers yourself. Okay? Now it was Chameli's turn. She said, I have come from Manali, which is a hilly area. At our place it rains heavily and snow as well. When it is very cold, we like to sit in the sun. Our houses are made up of stone or wood. Okay? What Chameli told us that she has come from Manali, which is hilly area that we know, Kullu Manali, right? We are aware of that. And at her place it rains very heavily and they feel snow also. So it is very cold and they like to sit in the sun, right, to get rid of cold. Okay, and their houses are made up of stone or wood. In which area is Chameli's house? Do you remember? Okay. What are the similarities in the roof of Chameli's and Bhupen's house? You can see the picture and compare it. How do roofs help in their areas? Okay. That's it for today. You finish the question answers and I'll send you the answers later on. Thank you.